Welcome to the new vision of fun at Sprockets Fun Foundry, a state-of-the-art, multi-level family entertainment center now open in Keystone, South Dakota. Sprockets features fully immersive virtual reality experiences, a modern arcade with more than 50 games, a tap room pouring the best in regional and local brews, as well as a lower and upper dining restaurant. On the main level, Sprockets includes the latest in arcade redemption technology. The kids will love the Minecraft and Jurassic World games especially, along with the prizes they earn. Nostalgia meets the future at Sprockets with their fully immersive, multi-sensory virtual reality experiences. The VR attractions include moving platforms, wind, and even heat. Also check out their VR laser tag, where you can play as a group or free roam. Crank up the fun with an old but new spin to bowling at Keystone's only duck pin bowling lanes. Dating back to the late 1800s, this mini version of bowling features shorter lanes, smaller balls, no special shoes, and a whole lot of fun. Enjoy an assortment of the area's finest craft brews and casual dining restaurant with local menu favorites. As you visit Keystone, keep your eyes out for Sprocket, the 20-foot-tall robot mascot who welcomes guests to the best place for family fun and entertainment, here at Sprockets Fun Foundry.